How to turn a t-shirt into a bodysuit. You need an oversized t-shirt plus an old bodysuit to use and some adhesive Velcro. You're going to take your t-shirt, fold it in half at the collar, and take your bodysuit and fold it in half as well. Lay the folded bodysuit on top of the folded t-shirt and then cut along the sides. You want to leave an inch on the leg opening, and by the midsection, leave about 2 to 3 inches, and then go back in and cut in about an inch by the arm section. Then cut around the collar. After that, put it over your head, try on the sides, see where you need to put your Velcro. Measure out how much Velcro you need, then fold over the back side and stick the Velcro to it. Then take the other piece of the Velcro, stick it to the back side of the front piece and put it down. Repeat that step for both sides of the bodysuit. Add the Velcro adhesives to the crotch area using the same method. Try the bodysuit on, crotch area first, and then adjust your sides to see if it's working out. For a cleaner look, you can hem around the leg, arms, and neck openings, and you can secure the hem by hand sewing it or using fabric glue. Once the fit is secure, you can go forth and make more slits and cuts and make it how you want it.